Hey everyone, this is AI Puppet Theater, a Gradio based app built as part of Build Small Hackathon organized by Gradio and Hugging Face. The idea is simple. Instead of just another chatbot, we wanted AI agents to perform as puppet characters on stage. Here, we can define the premise of our show, select the show length, and click on Create Show button. The director agent works behind the scene to come up with the stage setting, the backdrop, the list of cast, personas of each cast. So as you can see, each of these members were generated in real time using the model calls. The backdrop that you see behind is again AI generated in real time. It's not a static background. Now once the stage is set up, we can run either the full act by clicking on run full act button, or we can run the show step by step by clicking on run one beat button. We also support voice modes. For the sake of demo, I'll select HTTS as it offers better voice quality. We also have audience control, where audience can throw the props on the stage that actors can use later, or request finale, or maybe summon a new actor. You can view the full transcript here. Currently there isn't anything as we haven't started. You can view the state of each agent here. So if you see, each of them has their own goal. Currently there is no memory for them, but it will keep on updating as the show progresses, and maybe they will pick up the props too. Behind the curtain you can see what all events that happened for this. As you can see, it came up with the title for the show, the backdrop, the model it used to come up with the idea, all those things. You can even see the detailed traces here. We also provide configuring various backends to use for your inference. For the sake of this demo, I'm using Hugging Face API for both the actor agent as well as the director agent, but we have various options including deterministic model, which just follows a predefined script, but we use you can also use OpenBNB model, which would pull the model locally so that you can run the whole app offline. We also fine-tuned like couple of our models for the actor agent and published them over Hugging Face. For director, we currently only support 3 models. We didn't require any fine-tuning as of this stage, but that is something we can take up in the future. Now let's try to run one beat and see how it works.
Initiating diagnostic sequence. Cosmic cupcake status, missing. Origin, unknown. Suspect, moon-based spy.
So based on the premise where who stole the cupcake, there was an argument. We generated like robot chef and a moon detective, and it came up with a dialogue that is in line with that premise. And as we check the agent state here, the memory of the chef got updated with cupcake status confirmed as missing. We can also see the traces behind the scene of the action that it took place, where this is the raw response and how it parsed that information. We can also let's try throwing the prop on the stage to see if any actor picks it up. Let's maybe try something like a scroll, which may be useful given it's a investigative case. So as I throw the prop on the stage, we can see that update here. Now let's try running one beat to see if any of the actor picks it up.
The scroll unfurls, blue sugar crystals float into view, proving the cupcake was never stolen.
So as you can see, the next actor who was going to speak picks up the prop and uses it in its response. And we can see the similar update in agent state, where we see that the prop is added to the actor who just spoke, and his memory also got updated with the same. Now let's try just running one more beat to see where the story goes.
Cupcake isn't gone, it's behind the oven panel, safely stored.
So the story is progressing, and we can see the memory of the agent being updated as the story progresses. The memory now got updated from cupcake is missing to cupcake is hidden behind the oven panel, and we can see the traces of it also as the events happen. That's it for the demo. Thank you. Hope you like it.